you want to select a word and get a number. In this particular case, we want to enter an exercise we do each day and get calories per hour here based on what that exercise is, and then we can do some more calculations maybe by how much time we actually spent doing that. But we want to get the exercise and get the calories per hour. So let's do this in 3 steps. One, we're going to create a drop-down menu, then we're going to create a VLOOKUP table, then we're going to actually do the VLOOKUP in calories per hour. So let's start off with the drop-down list. Right-click, drop-down. We'll add another item, some yoga. So we have in B2 this drop-down list that we can select a word. Let's copy-paste that for each day. And we'll select a few: running, cycling, and yoga. And now we're going to create a VLOOKUP table. We're going to go exercise, calories per hour. So we'll type in running, cycling, yoga, and add our calories: 300, 250, 120, based on whatever we want to do. And now let's create a VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP. Search key is going to be B2, comma, range is going to be where we have our table. We can select more rows just in case we add to this later. Now the key here is we want to put a $sign in front of the 1 and the 8, or whatever row numbers there are here. Now the index, this is going to be based on where we want to get the information from. Our search key is always going to look in the first column, column number 1. So we want to look in index 2 or the second column, or just put a number 2 here. And is it sorted? I like to always put false just to say it's not sorted, just in case. Now we have our VLOOKUP. We can copy paste all the way down. We can see there's an NA here. This NA says, hey, we didn't find this value. Well, we can wrap around VLOOKUP if and say, well, if you don't find anything, put a comma, and let's put in quotes a little message that says enter exercise. And now let's copy paste this all the way down, and we can see which ones we still have to enter. Let's put in running, and immediately it turns into the number that we want. Isn't that cool?
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.